After posting a YouTube video on Facebook payment issue, many small business owners and startup owners are coming up to me. One of the owners shared one of his experience of getting digital marketing services.
Oh boy, this is going to be good, I can tell.
He said that he has a small business manufacturing agriculture and construction equipment and he wanted digital marketing services. So he hired an agency to promote his business and generate leads. The agency asked for 15,000 rupees for digital marketing service. He went on to say that agency failed to generate fair amount of leads and out of 15,000 they spent only 5,000 on advertising and kept 10,000 as service charge. He said that he had similar experiences before, which is why he was disappointed with the whole digital marketing industry. In this video, I will give you the reasons I gave to him to explain why startups and small businesses cannot get good digital marketing services in India. Reason number one, business model issues. A startup is a type of business that has no business model. Startup owners are usually testing their products to understand what works and what does not. On the other hand, small businesses do have a business model, but they are struggling to make significant profits. Since both these type of businesses are not profit-making businesses, they cannot afford to spend a lot on marketing.
Goddamn right.
Digital marketing and advertising agencies understand this, and they know that the marketing budget of startups and small businesses are not enough to grow their business. That is why most agencies reject these kind of projects. Agencies have a pricing page which says that they do not accept projects below a specific budget. For instance, as you can see on your screen, this agency's starter plan accepts rupees 80,000 as a media budget and rupees 20,000 as a service charge. So this agency will not take any project below rupees 1 lakh. Reason number two, inconsistency. Once I went to join the gym and asked for the pricing of gym membership. The gym trainer told me that the yearly membership will cost only rupees 1000 per month. I told the trainer I could join the gym for only 3 months since I have to move after a couple of months. So they created a 3-month plan for 80,000 rupees. I know it doesn't make any sense. I asked why the pricing is not linear. So the trainer said onboarding a new member requires a lot of training and efforts. And if they quit after a couple of months, it's a waste. That is why pricing is not linear.
You don't know what you're talking about.
Now you must be thinking, why am I telling you this? It's because digital marketing agencies also work on a retainer model. Just like a gym, they expect recurring revenues from their clients. And startups and small businesses are not reliable and are likely to quit after a month. Agencies understand this and they usually do not accept their projects. Reason number three, comparison with US clients. India is a service-based economy and most of the services are provided to US clients because earning in dollar is much better than earning in rupees. That is why most service providers prefer working for US clients. This is another reason why marketing agencies do not accept Indian projects. Now you must be wondering why there are so many digital marketing agencies in India and how are they operating. In reality, most of these digital marketing companies operate like a grocery shop. They ask you what services you want. What do you want? Google ads, Facebook ads, SEO. What do you want? Graphic designing, website designing. And then they deliver whatever you are asking them without taking any responsibility for your business growth. These agencies don't even talk about the strategy. They accept projects in volume. One manager on an average handles 15 clients at once. Now you can imagine the quality of service they must be providing. So these digital marketing companies serving Indian businesses have no accountability and do not provide good services.
Now what?
That's right. Now what? So what should you do as a startup or a small business? I think the approach to hiring an agency is wrong. As a startup, you should learn a little bit about marketing yourself to do rapid testing of your product and test what resonates with your audience. And as a small business, you should put more effort into creating social media content to attract more customers on your website. Here's a video I've created to share some of the free courses to get you started. Thank you for watching.